Hi guys, in this video we will see how to delete Copilot memory. If you want to improve or enhance your Copilot privacy settings, then you can easily enhance privacy and delete Copilot saved memory. Launch your Copilot app on your Windows 11 system. Click on open, and here from the bottom left corner you will find your profile icon. Click on it from the bottom left corner. Click on your profile icon and choose settings. Thereafter go to right side. Here you will find privacy settings. Click on privacy settings. Here you will find various type of privacy settings available. If you want to stop sharing diagnostic data with Microsoft products, then turn off this feature also under privacy settings, and some other privacy settings also available here. Model training on text, turn off or on. Model training on voice, you can easily turn the toggle button on or off to enable or disable. Personalization and memory from conversation. If you want to turn off this feature, then simply disable this feature. And at the bottom of the page you will find manage shared conversation also available. You can also set here. Otherwise you will find delete memory. Click on it. This cannot be undone. I will start rebuilding memory in our next conversation. Your conversation history would not be deleted. Choose delete memory, and your Copilot app privacy settings you must apply here. And if you want to delete memory, then you can easily delete it.